Guys, this is crazy. I'm about to show you guys one of the best apps you guys can use to start earning passive income online right now, and you guys can start with $0. With that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're almost there to 1,000 subscribers. Right now we're 60% there, and once we actually hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll be definitely doing a giveaway, so make sure you guys go ahead and stay around for that. With that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. So what exactly is this app? Well, basically guys, you go ahead and download it. Link is in the description, and then when you actually go ahead and do that, you open it up. Then the next day you pick up your phone and there's just a bunch of money sitting there. But for real guys, this app is really amazing and you guys should check it out if you haven't already. So as you guys can see right here, we'll be making 610 coins per minute, and it's crazy. All we have to do is just download it, and then once you download the app, you run it, and every minute you'll be rewarded with that amount of coins. Now as you run the app, it will take longer to earn the points. However, right now guys, it's crazy. You can see right there, it's 746 coins per minute, and to put that into perspective, you guys can see 50 cents is equivalent to 5,000 points pretty much, which means running that app for pretty much like, I don't know, like 10-20 minutes will get you guys 50 cents already. Now let me ask you guys this, what if we ran this app for 24/7? That's a lot of money. So as you guys can see, there is a decent amount of money to be made here. Now what I want to do is actually boost your income right now. So what I mean by that is if you guys go ahead and click the link in the description, you guys will be making 25% of what I make every single day for life. To put that into perspective, you guys can see that we made $10 right here in just one day. So if you do the math, you guys will be receiving $2.50 every single day pretty much until these offers run out. And if you guys don't want to run your phone whatsoever, that is totally fine by me. Just go ahead and sign up with the link in the description. Just keep the app on your phone and you guys will be receiving 25% of what I make from this app, which you guys can cash out to PayPal, Amazon, and all the other gift cards that you guys can think of. So going back over to the phone, you guys can see we've earned $10 in PayPal cash just for running this app for one day. And it's very simple to use. If you guys don't already know, basically you get a bunch of offers on the featured tab, and all you have to do is just download it from the Play Store. Next, go over to my app section, and then you guys just click on any of these apps. For example, this one right here, you just click it and now you forget about it. Now you just leave it as so, and this will continue to earn you points every single minute. So right now I'm about to show you guys how you can actually get your phone to stay on if you don't know how to do that already. So if you already know how, you guys can go ahead and skip on to the next section of this video. A timestamp will be on screen right now. So for those of you guys who stuck around to see this part, basically guys, if you want to keep your phone running, you will need a charger first off. And what we're going to do is actually go over to settings to start. Next, you guys are going to scroll down to system, then click about phone, and from about phone, what you guys want to do is scroll down to build number. Now what you guys are going to do is tap this 7 times, tap the build number as so 7 times, and you guys should become a developer. Meaning if you go ahead and click that back button, you guys should be able to see this developer options section right here. If you guys go ahead and click on that, you guys will see the option to actually click on stay awake, which means you guys will keep your phone on while it's charging always. Well, unless you click the power button. So make sure you guys go ahead and enable that, then don't touch anything else and just back out of it. And there you go, you guys are now ready to earn some passive income with these apps. So guys, even though I ran this phone already, what I want to do is actually, I have another phone right here, and this one is a fresh brand new phone for phone farming. So what I'm about to do for you guys is I want you guys to go ahead and click that link in the description. Now after a few days, a bunch of you guys should sign up for it, hopefully. Then I'll start running the offers on this phone, and hopefully you guys will receive a bunch of bonuses from this app. So basically guys, I won't run this phone until a bunch of you guys sign up so that all of you guys can get that 25% bonus. With that being said, if you guys do want to learn how to actually earn some passive income every single month using apps like this, and just, you know, getting a bunch of phones to run apps just like this one right here, then go ahead and actually click the playlist right here. It'll show you guys how to actually build a phone farm from scratch, and you guys, I'll see you over there. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now.